So today we will see SQL operators. Okay, we'll discuss about SQL operators. Okay. So let me share my screen. I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, yes, I can see.
Okay. So today we'll discuss about SQL operators. Okay, and just a minute. Let me save this. Yeah, SQL operators today we'll discuss. So operators in SQL are basically symbols or keywords that help us to perform operations on data, such as we can filter the data, we can compare the data, or we can calculate, we can search, or we can validate the value inside our databases. So for all of these things, we can use SQL operators. Okay, so I can tell you the real use case. So first is we can filter the data. Okay, for example, if somebody will ask us, like, find out the employee who is earning more than 50,000 rupees, right?
Yeah.
So how we can do that? Using SQL operator only. We have to use greater than. Without greater
Yes.
than, can we filter the data? No, we can't filter the data. So for that we need the SQL operator. Okay, that this is one use case. Then second use case, we can compare the data. So we can check which employee are in IT department or who are in HR department. So for that also we can use SQL operator to compare the values. Okay. Then third, we can use to search the pattern. Search the pattern. For example, if somebody will ask, find out the names that it starts with A or P or ends with P, like that. Okay. For this case also, we need SQL operators. So we'll use a like operator. So these are the use cases, okay, for using SQL operators. We have others as well. Let's say, for example, you have to perform some calculations on existing column. For example, an employee got salary hike of 10%, right? So you need to multiply that salary existing column. You need to multiply that, which means so you need to perform the calculation. That also using operators only we can do it, right? So all of these things we can achieve using SQL operators. So we'll see now. So before implementing these things, first we need to create a table. So here I have written the query to create an employee table. Okay. So this is simple. Create table followed by table name. Then we have employee ID as a column name. This is the data type is in integer, and this is auto increment. Yesterday we discussed, right, about auto
Yes,
increment. So
yes.
it will get increment +1, and I made it as primary key. Then we have name, employee name. The size is varchar 50. Department is varchar. Salary is in decimal. Okay, so we discussed about decimal as well previously. the data type. So it will be 8.2 decimal. Okay. Then we have experience as integer, joining date and the date as data type, and is active boolean, whether it's true or false. Is active in the sense whether that employee is still working in that organization or not. Okay. So this is the table definition.
Can you can you discuss use cases means examples
Yeah, yes, we will
means in
discuss.
interview question you will ask interview will ask
Yeah,
anything.
yes, we will discuss. Create table, create why it is showing error. Okay, done. So table got created. Now we'll insert some sample record as well. So we'll see here. Okay, so it got inserted. So in total, 3 plus 3, 6 records. Okay, cool. So now we'll see one by one. First, we'll see arithmetic one. First is we'll discuss first understand these
Right.
operators. Then we'll discuss the real example as well. Okay.
Okay.
So for this arithmetic operators. So
Plus
question is like, okay, fine, got it. So in arithmetic operator, we have plus, then we have minus, addition, subtraction, then we have multiplication, then we have division, and then one more is there, modulus. Okay. So these are arithmetic operators.
okay.
Okay. Now we will see not all, we'll just see one or two. Okay. So for example, question is like here is increase the salary. So we have the salary, right? Third one,
Yes.
55,000, 45,000.
Mm,
Okay. So if somebody will ask increase the salary by 5,000, which means all the employee got 5,000 as in bonus.
mm.
Okay. So this is increase the salary by 5,000. So how can we do that? So simply I can write select.
Select stuff.
mm,
Select
No,
salary.
select not a star. Yeah, that's what.
Mm,
I want employee name as well. So I can
yes.
write name, comma,
Then department.
salary. No,
Mm,
only employee name and display.
mm,
1 second. And uh, and display employee name along with the updated salary. So we need employee and updated salary. So salary will be salary plus how much? 5,000.
5,000.
5,000. You can give an alias as well. Okay. So I'll type it as updated salary.
Salary.
Okay. From my table name. So my table name is employees. So
Mm,
I can write here. This is my table name. Okay. So now if I see here, now see 55 plus 5,060 and for 50,000 70 and all. So it got updated, right? So for
that-
this reason, we are using arithmetic. Similarly, we can, let's say, for example, um, mm, so you have to calculate the monthly calculation, right? So assuming this is not monthly salary, this is package. Okay, treat it as package.
okay.
So per year he is getting he or she is getting 55,000. So you need to calculate month-wise salary. Okay, monthly salary calculation. So how can we do this? We
And
want
results.
month-wise.
Yeah, results set I have to keep the condition.
Sorry.
No, no, we have to give condition in result set only. Okay.
Here, if we divide by 12, it will become month-wise, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, I'm telling, can you give any where condition or directly I can give the condition in say result set.
Here only you can give.
Okay.
Here only you can give in the result sets monthly salary. So then you will get the monthly salary calculation using the arithmetic operation. Okay.
Yeah.
Others you can do that. Those are simple. You need to just multiply, division, and create the models as well. And second, we will see comparison operator. Okay. Comparison operators. So comparison operator is basically used to compare the things. Okay. So in comparison operator, what we have, comparison means equal. It will have equal or not equals. Okay. Not
Yeah.
equals, sometimes we write it as exclamatory and equal to sign, or
Yeah.
like this as well,
Yeah.
angular bracket. Okay.
Yes.
Then compare. How can we compare? So we can have less than, we can have greater than, we can have less than equals to, or we can have greater than equals to. uh, these are comparison operators. We will compare it. So how can we compare? So which means if somebody will ask, find out the employee who are in IT department. Okay. So the question is like, find out the employees who are in IT department. Do we have IT? IT, yes. So we can see IT, Rahul is there and Pooja is there, right?
Yes.
So how can we fetch that? So we can write select star from table name. My table name is employees. Where condition? What? IT department, right?
Yeah.
So my
Yeah.
column name is department,
Equal to
where
IT.
department equals to IT.
IT.
IT. Okay. Now let's see. We'll get only Rahul and Pooja. Okay, only Rahul and Pooja, we got it. Okay. Similarly, if we have to compare, we have to list down the employee who are earning more than, um, 1 second. Find employees who are earning more than 60,000. Okay, more than 60K. So how?
Select employees.
Where?
Yeah.
1 second, 1 second. Department equals to IT. Okay, done. Uh, oh, is it? Okay, fine. So this one I'll write select start from employee in where
Yes. Yes.
condition. What I need to write? Where
Where
earning more
salary
than 60.
is
Where
uh,
salary
greater
is
than
greater
60,
than
60,000.
60,000. 60,000. Okay. So we'll get 60,000, which means Amit, Pooja, and Divya. These three guys. Okay. Let's see. Amit, Pooja, and Divya. Okay. Great. Now, for example, what is this? Experience. Okay. If we have to see the employee whose experience is not equals to 5. Okay. Amit experience is 5, except Amit, all others have 3 to 7,
7.
1, and 8. So we
Yeah.
want to see the employee whose experience is not equal to 5.
Okay.
Find employee whose experience is not equal to 5. So we can write select start from table name. Then where
experience like
experience
not equal to
not
like
equal to
five.
5. Okay, we should get except Amit, we should get all the records. See, we got all the records except Amit. So this is the use case for comparison operator. Then we can see logical operators. Okay, logical operators. Okay, great. So in logical operator, we have and, or, and not. These three are there in logical operators. Okay.
Mm.
So now, if if we need to calculate like employee who are in IT department and they are earning more than 60,000. Okay.
So both the conditions
Employee,
should be
yeah,
mentioned.
correct, correct. Both the conditions would match. Employee who are in IT department and earning more than
Cheated.
60,000, which means both the conditions should match. Our employee should work in IT department, also is earning more than 60,000. Okay. So we'll see. Only Rahul and Amit are in IT. Sorry, Rahul and Pooja are in IT department, but Rahul is earning less than 60,000. Only Pooja is earning 80,000. So we should get only Pooja,
One record
right?
still like
Uh, Only one record we should get. So how can we achieve that? So I will write select star from table name where first is IT department. So uh, I can write a department
department equal to IT
equal to IT
and salary greater than
and we need to write and
salary
salary is greater
greater
than
than 60,000.
60,000. Okay, we should get only Pooja. Only Pooja we received. Okay. Now, if we need to find out an employee, list an employee or list of employee who are either working in finance department or HR department. Okay.
Okay.
So we have this department, finance department we have, HR department we have. Okay.
Yeah.
In finance we have two, Amit and Divya, and in finance, sorry, in HR we have
It's,
Sita. Okay. So
yeah.
if we have to fetch either HR or finance, correct? Or so which
Yeah.
means we will
One
get
of
how
the
many records?
conditions, one records. If the
No,
actually
this is
one of the conditions should match actually.
one of the condition match. Correct. So we should get three records, na? HR will also match and
Yes.
finance will also match.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Understood. Already three records are
Either
present.
already
Yeah.
three as present.
Yes. Yes.
So let's see. Let's see. Mm, Find out employees who are either in HR department or in finance department. Okay. So I'll write select star from table name where what is or employee is either in department. Okay.
Department.
Where
Department
dep-
equal to HR
department equals to HR
or
or
department equal to finance.
department equals to finance. BPRT department equals to finance. Okay. So now we will run this. See, we got three records. If anybody in HR department, it will show that list, or in finance department, that will show. So we had three records, three employees who belongs to HR or finance. So we got three records.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, so you can see is active, right? So I
Yeah.
told you that one means they are active and zero means inactive. One means they are currently working in that organization. Zero means they left the organization.
mm,
Okay. Now, if we want to see employee who left the organization, how can we see that?
select star from
List down the employee left the organization. Okay. So start from table name where
where is active equal to 0.
yeah is active equals to 0. Okay. So Rohan left the organization. Okay. Great. Now we will see range operators. So in range we have between, then we have
Not
not between. So yeah, fine, not between. So if we need to find out the employee who are earning, let's say 60 to 80,000, okay, find out employee who are earning 60K to 80K. So I can write select star from table name where um salary, okay, where
salary
salary,
between
what salary between 60K, okay, 60,000
60K to
60,000
60 to
and
80,000.
80,000.
80,000.
Let's see who are between 60 to 80. So Amit is earning, right? Amit is earning or 62. Oh, why is this? Okay, 1 second. Left organize. Okay, fine. So now here we can run this. Okay, so we got this. Pooja, Amit is earning 70 and Pooja is earning 80,000. Okay, and similarly you can do for not. Just you need to apply here not between. Okay, not is just the opposite. Anything.
Is
Ah, okay, so we can skip that part. Then we can search. Sorry, search. We can see other operators like list operators. Okay, so we can see list operators. So in list we have what? List in the sense it will do the listing. So in list we can have not, sorry, in, then we can have not in, right?
is
Yeah, in list we have in and not in. Okay. So in, okay. So already we discussed, right? Like for example, you have to find the employee who are working in IT department or finance department, okay, or HR
yeah,
department, two, three department, okay,
yeah. If then if there is some multiple records, then you have to provide in
correct.
operator
Yes, right. If single is there, then we can use equal
equal
to
to.
operator. Uh,
Mm,
if more than one, then we can use in operator. Like we saw a department equals to IT previously, right? In
yes, sir.
comparison operator. Now this is
Mm,
list operator. So simply we can write select star from employees
statement
where
depart.
department in
Mm,
I can write IT comma finance, okay,
Yes.
or HR also I can write anything. So we
Yes.
have multiple conditions. Then I can use in operator and okay, we got these employees.
Yeah.
Just opposite, we can use not in. Okay, so except IT, finance, and HR, we will get other department employees. Like we have marketing, right? So
Yeah.
we'll get only one record, marketing one. So if I use this one, let's copy this and paste it. We should get only one record. So I'll write not in this department. Okay. So I'll get one record. So we got one record. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have important one, that is pattern matching operator. Okay. Pattern matching operator, which is nothing but your
Like
like operator. Okay. Fine. Save this. Okay. So like operator is basically used to search a pattern. Okay. It's not exactly the match, but it is used to search the pattern. Okay. So how can we use this? We have to use like operator with wildcards. Okay. So we have while in MySQL supports two wildcard. One is percentage, another is underscore. Okay. So like operator we have to use with wildcard. How can we do that? For example, we have to find out the employees. Currently we had a 6 employee. So we have to find out the employee whose name starts with A. So we had Amit, right?
yes.
And let us start from employees. Okay, then. Okay, so we have Amit, A, and Pooja, Rohan, Divya. Okay, name starts with A. Fine. So I can write select star from employee where
Name.
name like name starts with A. Okay, then I can write A. After that, I don't know. So I can put percentage. Percentage means it will consist of n number of characters. It can be Amit, it can be Amitabh, it can be Anurag, anything. Okay.
Yeah.
Employee whose name starts with A. Okay. Similarly, if we have to find out employees whose name ends with A. Okay.
Yeah.
Ends with A. Then how can we write that? Select
Select
this
name like select star
start
from employees
from
where
employees
name like
where
percentage A.
name like so
And
percentage.
percentage.
Prefix is what we don't know, but it should
Yeah.
ends with A. Okay, ends with A.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if we need to find out the employee whose second character is I. Okay. Find out the employee whose second character is I. How can we fix that? Select star from employees where name like
Underscore.
hmm, first character. Second character is I. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. So underscore, then I, then percentage. Correct.
Mm.
Underscore
Yes,
will denote only one character. It can be A, B, C, D, whatever. Then second
okay.
character is I, then followed by any character. Okay.
Yeah,
So here in this case, we should get Sita. Sita. Or Sita and Divya, right? Sita and
yeah,
Divya. Okay. So let's see. We'll get Sita and Divya. Okay. So these are some of the operators. We have other operators as well. Like we have is null. Then we have assignment operator. Assignment operator already I discussed with you.
um,
Okay. Same as comparison operator that use equals to. Okay. Assignment, we can use it while updating the table. There we can use it, right? So
yeah.
if we have to update some value, then we are writing, right? Update
Double name moment,
table
table.
name, set, we are setting
So
something. Let's say
it's
set
column name.
experience. Uh, Set experience
Mm.
equals to, let's say 10. Okay. Then
Yes.
we are mentioning the condition as well,
Where condition.
where, let's say for example, department equals to IT. So this is your assignment operator. So we are assigning
Mhm.
IT whose
Yeah,
experience is 10, right? So this is your assignment operator.
yeah.
Instead of table name, I can write employees itself. Okay, cool. Then we have exist as well. So we can use that in subquery. So for example, uh, 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 just a minute. Yeah, sorry. Okay, yeah. So I was saying that we have others as well. So for example, exist we have, uh,
Not
then we
adjust.
have exist, not exist. These operators also we have. Now let's see some use cases. Okay. Mm, Okay, I'll tell you. So for example, mm, in HR perspective, okay,
Yeah,
if they have to, HR have to get the employee who are eligible for yearly appraisal. Okay. So
okay.
real use cases. So the question is, get employees who are eligible for yearly
Yearly appraisal.
appraisal. ISAL. Okay. So this, we need to find out the employee who are eligible for yearly appraisal. Okay. So for that we can put some condition first. Okay. Yearly appraisal means we cannot give appraisal to fresher on every year.
Mm.
Fresher will get appraisal after 2 years. Okay. As an associate software engineer, they will join the organization after 2 or 3 years only they will get the appraisal. But if an employee who are experienced one, let's say more than 3 years of experience, okay, greater than 3 year years of experience employee, we want to give those employee. Also, we can have one condition that those employee are working in our organization, right? So which means that active indicator, right, is active. Okay, it should be one,
Exactly.
correct?
Yes.
It should be one. Those who are working in our organization, and if they have more than three
Greater
years
than
of
more than three
experience,
years.
more than 3 years of experience, and also we can have one more condition who will get the appraisal. So 1 second, let me show you the table first. Select star from employees. Okay, star select. Spelling is correct, then why it is showing as okay, fine. Hmm. So Rahul 55,000, Pooja 80,000, they are running. What I can do one thing, order by, I can apply here. Okay. Uh, Order by salary in descending order. Okay. So, okay. So now we can see Divya is earning more salary. Okay. 90,000. So we will not give appraisal to Divya because already she is earning more salary. And this Rohan is having only 1 year of experience. We will not give. Sita is having 2 years of experience. We will not give. We'll give greater than 2 years or greater than 3 years. So let's assume greater than 3 years. In greater than 3 years, we have Amit, Pooja, and Divya. But since Divya is already earning more salary, 90,000, and Pooja is also earning around 80,000. So we want to give a hike only to Amit. Okay, so for that, what we can write? So the condition is greater than 3 years of experience. They should be working in that organization and
Salary should be
earning less than 80,000.
less than 50,000.
Less than 80,000. These are the conditions. Right? Only those employees are eligible to get the appraisal. Other employees are not eligible to get the appraisal.
Yeah.
Okay. So this I will not solve this. Okay. You can
Yes,
only solve. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Just I
So,
have given this condition. By putting this condition, you can solve this.
yes, yes.
Okay. Now one more we can see. So we know that mm, so whenever we are working for our clients, right?
Mm,
So we first as we need to show to our client that this is our budget. Okay.
yeah,
Based on that, we are signing on SLA and all those things are there. So
yes,
client has to give us that amount, whatever budget we ask them that this is our cost, employee cost, and other stuffs as well. Based on that, client has to pay us, right? So
mm,
if we need to calculate the total budget of our project,
mm,
okay, so you need to calculate total budget
gotcha.
for only IT department. I'm talking about IT department.
Yeah,
We need to find out the total budget for IT department to showcase to our client. So how can we calculate the budget? Employee who are getting paid, right?
yes. The
Those are the
salary,
budget only. You can
manufacturing,
sum all the salary, right? So that you
yeah,
can get the total budget.
shit, yeah,
Okay. Then we so whenever we are getting any Jira story, right? So we are assigning those story to employees.
yes,
So we are not assigning blindly. It depends on years of experience. If our employee has 10 years of experience, then he will get some complex task. If employee are freshers, then they will get some easy task. Correct? So based on the
correct.
year of experience, we are assigning user story to employees. So one more use cases we can have um, project assignment. Okay.
Yeah,
So the condition is mm, let's assume we are working for one project to build let's say to build a YouTube replica. That is a project. Okay. So we need to assign that project to senior employee. Okay,
It better
assign
than intern.
this. Correct. Assign this to senior employee having 5+ year of experience. Okay,
Yes,
this is the condition. Solution, whatever. You need to write the query for this.
still.
Okay, so these are some of the use cases. I'm just thinking for others as well. Hmm. You can calculate this as well. Uh, Mid-level salaried employee. Okay, you can see Sita and Rohan are earning 35 and 50, but Divya and Pooja are earning 90 and 80. So mid-level, Amit and Rahul are mid-level, right? So you can calculate the mid-level salaried employee. Okay, why HR will filter this mid-level salary so that they will get more hikes and all. So mid-level salary employee filter, filter out mid-level salaried employees. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh, I think this much only.
if the employee left the organization, then
Mm,
we have to give one condition also. Each
mm,
active is equal to 0.
correct, correct. Is active equals to 0. We need to give that. Okay, I think this much only we have in operators. Do you have any doubt?
No, 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 no.
Okay, then okay, just complete only these whatever I gave you right on these 3 4 homework. I'll share this file with you. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can take this question from this file itself, and tomorrow we will see this like operator in detail again. Okay, like and wildcard.
There are two like operator only. We don't have any other like
No,
operators. Means
no,
white means white.
wildcard. Yeah, yeah, only two.
But
So
in
we'll see tomorrow.
Oracle, there are different white
Different, different. Yeah, MySQL supports only these two.
Okay. If the interviewer will ask kindly ask something about or like operator about which means
No, see, you are an experience. You are an experience. Okay, I never seen
okay.
experienced candidates. They are asking like operator. So mostly you will work on regular expression, not like operator. Regular expression they will ask. Okay, that also they are not asking to experienced candidates who are having 3+ years of experience. Only they will give you to solve the problem at the end. You are preparing for data engineer, not for SQL developer, right? So
Yes, yes.
mostly, but 90% of the question they will ask related to Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks.
Okay.
At the end, they will ask to solve SQL questions, not they will ask like what is like operator, what is regular expression and all. Just you need to solve the problem. So don't worry about this thing. Okay.
And
And
you have given some task also. I have done that.
oh, okay, great. You completed. You can share your screen. You can show that, or if you have any doubt, you can ask me. So it's up to you. No doubt, right?
Mhm. It's very good.
Okay.
Actually, you need to know some update function for this. I saw this solution from ChatGPT,
Yeah,
but
current date. I also told you, right? Current date minus interval
okay,
of some days, 2 days. Ah, yeah, last 2 days I asked you.
for this, but I have to give set this condition to update this one. SQL safe update 0. Why it is required? I don't know. Actually, when I'm using this column, actually to give condition that is update customer set mobile number where shipping address is Raulka, it is showing some error actually. So
Update
so it
customer set mobile where shipping address equals to Raul Killa. Uh,
yeah,
uh,
yeah,
okay,
but
what is okay, go ahead.
because error they are
Sorry,
so
your
actually
voice is not clear.
yeah, actually they are asking to write this condition set SQL safe update to 0 before running the update customer. So
Okay,
that
okay, got yeah, yeah. This is because see, when you install this MySQL Workbench, you will not have the access to update and to
okay,
drop as well.
okay,
Okay, so for that you need to set this. By default, you will
okay.
not get these options.
Okay, then how to set means is there any option to set this
Yeah, there are
operator?
option using yeah graphical user interface. We have an option. I don't remember, but we can explore this. Can you click on tools or scripting databases? Click on file. Oh no, click on view. You'll see that somewhere it should be there. View. No, it's not there. Help. Go to help. Last one. Help.
About
MySQL. About workbench. You can click there. Last one. Last one. About
okay,
workbench. Where it should be there. I remember I used some.
otherwise I will give this condition to update
Okay,
this one.
no, no. Go to edit. Yeah, that also you can do that using GUI. Also we have. Go to edit
Okay,
preferences. Last one. Here you can click on SQL editor. SQL editor. Second one. Second. SQL editor. Below one. No, no. Af- Below the
it
general editor we have SQL editor, right? Click on that.
general editor.
No, no. At the top, second one, second line. Click here. Okay. Save scenario creator, restore. Scroll down. And to next one. See, safe update is enabled. So when you install this, okay,
Yeah,
it should not be enabled. At the bottom, you can see, right? Safe
yeah,
updates.
this one.
It will be in disable mode when you install
Okay,
SQL Workbench for the first time. So it
okay,
will be in
but
disable mode. You need to come here and you need to check this. Since you
okay,
ran that query, right? Safe update equals to 0. You ran that query. So
yes, yes.
it updated here as well.
Okay,
So by
okay,
default,
it
you
is
will not
automatic.
get this option.
Yeah,
It
automatically
will automatically
updated.
get, yes, automatically. So we need to enable this when we install SQL Workbench. Otherwise, we will not update, we will not delete anything. So because of that, we need to enable this. Mm.
Can you please share this question in
Yeah,
my
file. Yes. Sorry. Okay. Any other doubt?
moment this time? Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, then we'll connect tomorrow at the same time. I'm sharing you right away. Okay, those SQL file itself.